Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to set up your theme in Google Forms. First, you need to open up your form, and at the top right corner, you're going to click on the Customize Theme icon, and a sidebar will open up. The first thing that I can do is choose an image. So I'm going to click on Choose an Image, and on the left side here, I have all different categories. So if I pick a different category, it's going to give me themes for that category. So let's just say I pick this theme. I hit select, and now my theme will be activated in my form. I don't have to wait. The theme color, I can select a theme color that I would like. So these colors are defaulted from within the theme that I pick. So I'm going to select different themes so that you can see that the colors are different. So when I select a theme color, the background color changes. So if I select this pink, the background color of the theme changes as well. And I can make the theme for the background color a different color. So it gives you more options. So I'm going to leave it that way. And I can also change the font of my form. So I don't have to use that basic font. I can change it so that it looks a little bit more appealing if I wanted. So that's how you can change your theme options in the form. I hope you found this screencast helpful.